Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel, Just a Tip Nails. My name is Elise and I'm coming to you with another video. Welcome if you are new, welcome back if you are returning. I really appreciate your time and your attention. I don't know if you've noticed, but this last weekend has been so nice. It's been in the 80s in Arkansas and I've been taking full advantage of the nice weather. I've been going on some pretty long walks and getting my steps in, and I've just really been enjoying myself. So I have a bunch of packages that have been stacking up that I've been meaning to get into, and I haven't had an opportunity to open, so I thought I would take you guys along for the ride. I have packages from Amazon, Junie, Blue Rose Nails, and the Cat Prints. And that's Prints, Prints. So I'm trying to think of where to start first. I guess we can start with Amazon. Oh, I just got a new mic, so hopefully the sound quality will be a little bit better than it has been in the past. Okay, cool. These are a lot more than I thought they were. But this is a package of swatch, nail swatches, the circular ones, and they come with numbers to go along with. Just your typical swatch. And I also got some Una Gela nails. And I don't know what ones these are. I usually go for Coffin. Pretty sure that's what these are. Yeah, I think these are like a medium Coffin. And these are not what I was expecting. I was thinking that these were going to be circular like the clear ones, but this is more of an oval. And the quality isn't all that great. This is one of those sets that does the rabbit. Is it the rabbit or the heart? We are going to take a little detour and try this out. I want to see if this works. I've been trying to do this particular technique, the heart cat eye, for like the longest. Alright, we're going to let that bake for 60 seconds. But apparently what you do is it's already got the shape for you. And it's flat on the end, and it's supposed to stick to your magnet. I guess it doesn't matter what side. All right. Five more seconds. All right. Bring you in. So here is our magnet. Well, I can see where the magnet is working, but I don't see a heart. Maybe I need to bring all the particles to the surface first. much better, but still not getting the point where the two halves meet. Maybe I need a stronger magnet. There we go. So it does work. You just kind of have to bring the particles to the surface first. And have a magnet with a strong charge to it. That one wasn't as good. There we go. So yeah, it works. So that's pretty cool. All right, next. I think I have an idea of what this is. I've been wanting one of these for some time now. This is a lamp, a curing lamp with a jelly stamper on the end. And I'm a little late in the game on getting one of these, but I've been wanting to try a particular technique out, and I think this damper will help me stick the stuff to the nail without sticking my fingers to the nail as well. So we'll see how that goes, and it comes with a little lanyard. I saw this on Murdered Manny's channel. I thought this was pretty cool. It's for dual forms so that you can stick your dual form on a stand and have it actually fit. See, it's curved inward for you to put the form down in it. Other nail stands are curved the other way, so it makes putting the dual form on there a little bit problematic. So this is just an easier way to do it. And it comes with sticky tape and also sticky putty. And you get 2 stands. Looks like we've got some nails, and I think these are oval. Are they oval? What size is this? This is 12. It's 13. These are short, whatever they are. I think these are supposed to be oval. And it starts with a 00. I feel like I am a 0. Yes. So these are really sturdy at the tip and a little bendy at the cuticle. Doesn't say how many are in here. Let's see. Jeez. I have a lot of stuff here. And I feel like this box is Amazon as well. And we are going to open it too. Oh gosh, I got so much stuff here, and I just had some scissors And I lost them just like that. Oh, they're there. Okay, this is all of the Amazon stuff. We've got 3D sculpting gels. I want to say that I saw these on Linda's Pretty Press-Ons. I think she was talking about using them for, what do you call them? For molds. There are 12 colors. I will maybe swatch these in another video. But yeah, it comes with 12 different colors, and this is the SS Pro Sculpt X. And this is like 3D nail gel. Next, I have the Savvyland tip glue and gel remover. I've been wanting to try this out. Comes with a emery board and a what do you call it? A pick, a tool. This is the glue remover, which is a liquid, and this is just like a gel, kind of like the 3D sculpting gel, but it is UV free, so that should mean that it air dries. So I'm very interested to try this out and see how it works. Next we have some no wipe clear gel, and if I understand this, mirror chrome powder nail art 3D sculpture style. Okay. I don't want to open this, but it is essentially like these two other products here, the 3D multifunctional sculpture gel, no wipe. This is basically what it is. Wave liner gel is another name for it. Alright, so that is that. I've also got these. I guess this is just like a hodgepodge of different characters. Hello Kitty, Cause. I don't think this is what I thought. Oh, maybe it is. Let me bring you in. Yeah, they've got orange and purple. One blue. But just kind of like a hodgepodge of different charms. Okay, what is this? Oh, I'm actually pretty excited about these. These are stencils. Got, what do you call them? Snowflakes. Geometric. And so that is that. I've got an airbrush machine that I really need to learn how to use, and I thought these would make that process a little more fun and interesting. Alright, so here we have some Miss Pink gels. This one is the Semi-Translucent Color Gel Rainbow Set ST01 through 8. And it says that right here. we have a leak, maybe. I don't know, there's something sticky. These are the colors ST01 through ST08. It comes with the tubes to fill up the tray. There are 8 colors, and I believe this goes like right here, and it comes with a palette. I was under the impression it came with 2 palettes, but I guess just one. This one is the Miss Pink Nail Translucent Color Gel Set T001 through T008. Here are the colors. And again, I will swatch these in another video. Here are the syringes. And again, you get your palettes and your wells for your gel. Okay, next we have this package, and it is from Blue Rose Nails. Okay, that's just my invoice. This is expertly packed. Says thank you so much. That's sweet. That's some stickers. That's the Blue Rose Nails logo. Love this one. Mystery bag. Oh, it's a little black pig. It's hard to tell what it is, but it is in fact a pig. Cute. These are blue rose petals, just in case you were wondering. Says Eric. Oh, this is my husband's name is Eric. It says, thank you so much for your order. I am so excited for you to receive your cards and start creating. Biggest hugs, Crystal Blue Rose. And this came from Canada, and it came so quick. I actually ordered this several months ago, so I don't know if they're still available at the moment. But these are Design It nail cards. It's a fun way to design nails. Each tab is a category. Like this is the product card, shape and length, design, and color. And so you would choose one from each category, and that would be your nail set. So let's say this one is the treat card. Okay, so this one is flat back rhinestones, extra short squoval, exotic animals, and your color would be purple. So that would be a fun, different kind of nail set to do. And I've seen people do these with their nail lady friends. As a kind of like a conversation starter and a just a way to use up products that you would normally use. So I'm excited to use this and get some inspo for some nail sets. And yeah, I don't know how many cards there are. All right. Next, I have the cat prints. Thank you for your support. I hope this package helps to make your incredible art. Nice. Okay, so I got this several months ago during Pride Month, and at the time he had this deal where you get a set for, I think, $30, and he donates part of the proceeds to the Trevor project, which I believe has to do with LGBTQ plus community and suicide awareness. And the Trevor project is based off of a movie called Trevor, and you can find it on YouTube. It's a cute little movie. I thought it was interesting. But these are the stands he made for Pride Month, and they are magnetic, and the inside says "Love is love," and he's got his little imprint on the bottom. But look at that, how flashy and pretty is that? I love it. So I ended up getting 2 sets. And I feel like if you got to, he threw in one of these stands. And it is so cute. So yeah, I got two sets. And it also came with the individual stand. How cute is that? And I love that they're magnetic. And he customizes, his name is Darren, and he does custom stands too, so you could come to him with ideas of your own for nail stands, and he will come up with something tailored to your needs. But yeah, this is so cute. I love it. Alright, so last but not least, we have this box from Junie. Oops. Oh, gee whiz. That was rough. Says thank you. At Junie, we are all about sharing our love for nails. After years of doing at-home designs, we've handpicked our favorite nail supplies from South Korea, only the best for your nails. Every product is something we genuinely love and can't wait for you to try. I do love Junie. I wish they carried more products. But this is what... Okay, my battery died. It's amazing. So yeah, this is what we have here. And let me see if I can bring you out. Okay. Says nail list all the designs you want. It is a binder. And it's got plates on it for nail tabs. I wish it had more, and these are magnetic. You put your strip of tape here and then put your nails like this. This is what I'm using at the moment. And I don't like the setup, so I was hoping to do something different, and yeah, so it only comes with 2 inserts, which kind of stinks. And I've looked to try and see if you can purchase extra plates, but I don't see where you can. You just have to buy a whole new binder. But I don't know, I thought this was cute because you've got all your artwork in one box. It says on art box. O-N. I don't know. But yeah, I thought that this was cute. And the top, I think, is magnetic. Yeah, so that is that. That is all that I got. I hope you saw something interesting that you had not seen before, and if you did, comment below and let me know what it was. I'm trying to think of what my favorite thing would have to be. I think it might be the nail stand. I love the shimmer on the back. It is so pretty, and love is love. That is just so sweet and perfect. So thank you guys for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. I will have a video swatching the gels that I opened earlier, as well as the 3D sculpting gels. I'll do those too. I would like to do a video of me using that Savaland UV-free tip glue gel. See how that works and how the nails stay on. So I might have a video coming up of that as well. So lots to think about, lots to do. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. It means so much to me. And if you have any suggestions, any constructive criticisms, please leave them in the comments. I'm always open to learning and hearing about new ideas and ways of doing things. But in the meantime, I hope you have an amazing week. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Take care.